All right, what's happening, y'all? I'm gonna bring you an update on this very wet, extended period of weather we're about to go into. It's Monday afternoon. We're already seeing a little bit of snow on the ground with some light snow showers and temperatures hovering around Flagstaff, which is limiting any type of real accumulation. That's it's going to stay through about Tuesday. Light snow showers, snow levels around 6,500 feet, and just being able to manage a couple of snow out of it because temperatures are so warm. But we do have several storm systems lined up, and it's looking more likely by the end of the week here, snow is going to be piled up pretty good. Let's start talking about it here. Just we'll have a look at the Pacific satellite. Here we are in Arizona, and storm system number one getting into some, sure, very poorly organized, but just very moist. Here, and this is what's going to affect us through Tuesday. Here's a storm system that looks like Tuesday night into Wednesday, more significant snow accumulation levels down around 5,500 feet. And then this next one upstream, this is Thursday and Friday, and it's also looking a little bit colder and a bit stronger, and like it could do some productive things around here. Let's take a look at and how do I know that those three storm systems are the storm systems that are coming our way? Well, the models are the way a meteorologist does it. And what's Flagstaff Unified want? Let's hear it. Maybe they're canceling school right now.
Good afternoon. Happy El Nino. Athletic and Activities Director at Flagstaff High School. Due to today's impending storm and the potential for adverse driving conditions, all activities and activity buses have been canceled for today, Monday, January 4th, 2016. All students should be riding their regular...
So it sounds like after-school activities are canceled. We'll talk more about snow days in a minute. So how do we know that three storms are headed our way? Well, we look at the models, and these, So anyway, we're looking at the upper levels of the atmosphere. Here's Arizona right here, and we're going to jam through this really quick. This is storm system number one, storm system number two, storm system number three, and if I just start ambling through here, you can see that there's two, there's one, there's the next one from out in Hawaii, and that's all the way through Friday, Saturday time frame. Then things finally quiet down a little bit, but we could keep going through here, and it looks like models are not advertising anything coming our way after this Friday, but that remains to be seen. That's obviously a ways out. But also notice it's a very active southern track of these storms, and I kind of wanted to show you this. We're going back out to a satellite shot of the Pacific, and that one storm system that was our third one for Thursday, Friday. You can see this is now looking out towards Japan because it was barely on our screen on the last one, but there it is, and there's some moisture diving into this one, and a very active southern stream to the jet. And about this El Nino, let's just talk about that really quick. Is this El Nino? Here's the deal with that. El Nino's got two different things that it does to the weather patterns. Number one, it brings that polar jet stream further south. Number two, it can really enhance the subtropical jet stream and bring in a lot of tropical moisture. What this pattern is doing is bringing the polar jet south. We haven't seen that subtropical jet with lots of moisture yet, but when those come into sync, it's kind of the Pineapple Express type of deal that we saw, that we could see around here, and it definitely happened in El Ninos of previous strength of the size. El Nino 97, 98, that happened in California. By the way, this is one of the wettest, it's going to go down as one of the wettest Januaries ever for California. It is lined up for California. All right, well, let's get back in this stuff here, and I hope you're patient here because we got a lot of stuff to talk about. All right. So things are going to go out for us this week. All right, let's just look at the model panels, and we're looking at precipitation now. Here we are in Arizona. This is today, rather light stuff as we talked about. Tonight, light. Tomorrow, similarly light. Then tomorrow night, a, a decent impulse. Notice these blues right along the Mogollon Rim with a little bit colder air. Snow levels maybe down to 5,500 feet. Tuesday night into Wednesday, 6 to 8 inches of snow. Wednesday kind of quiets down. Then Wednesday night, here comes that other one. Overnight into Thursday day, still good snow. And then the last pulse Thursday night through Friday. And then it starts to clear off to the eastern Mogollon Rim. We start to clear out Saturday. So the snow levels by Thursday down to 4,500 feet. The bulk of the stronger, wetter late week. And just one other way to zoom in on this, now we're looking at AZ close up, and today the light precip with the heavier stuff down south. Watch if I go 1, 2, 3, this is overnight tonight, week through the day tomorrow, week, then tomorrow night. This is this batch that I'm talking about, tomorrow evening, all night long into Wednesday morning. Probably a snow day Wednesday. Pretty quiet Wednesday day, then Wednesday night, another pulse of 6 to 8 inches. Then Thursday day, it's still going. Thursday night, or I might be a little off there on days. I kind of got behind myself, but whatever. As you can see, there's some precip coming our way. Here's a look at the Weather Prediction Center out of NOAA, 7-day precip. Notice this whole area of central and northern Arizona in the dark purples. That is 2 to 3 inches of precipitation, a bullseye of 4 inches of water for areas along the Mogollon Rim. Look at California, 5, 6 inches. This is through this coming weekend. So how does this translate to snow? Well, this is a lot of rain, number one, for the lower elevations. Even the deserts are over an inch of rain. How does this relate to snow? Again, as my previous forecast stated, 1 to 3 feet of snow. Flagstaff somewhere in the middle, upper middle of that. Some places along the Mogollon Rim probably getting 3, maybe even 4 feet. San Francisco Peaks 3 feet plus. And if we look at this last model I'm going to show you is snow accumulation. And here we are at the beginning, under an inch this morning. And if I just jam it out and we look to let's get to tomorrow morning. We're still very light snowfall, and the 3 inches are the blues. Let's go to Wednesday morning. Now you're starting to see some foot pinks start to show up on the Kaibab Western Rim. Somewhere around Flagstaff by Wednesday morning, we're getting to be around a foot. Then we get into Thursday morning. Now we're seeing some more foot and even starting to see some of this 3 feet type colors up on the Kaibab. And we just keep on going out here. And as we get towards the end of this whole thing, by Saturday morning, it looks like a lot of footage. This is just, the 1 to 2 feet that I was talking about, and 3 feet along the rim, the Kaibab, up around 3 feet of snow. And lower elevations, when we finally start getting to those lower elevation snow, that's around Thursday and Friday, down to 5,500 feet. We could see, as we get into Thursday, Friday, snow levels 500 feet, place like Prescott starting to get 6 inches, 8 inches of snow out there towards the end of the storm. Anyway, it's been looking around here for a while. We going to keep you updated if anything new is to report, and enjoy the snow.